Hey everybody, welcome to Tarry Homestead. So we're gonna be doing some cherry picking, right, Buttercup?
Yeah.
All right, so I put this netting over here, y'all, because the birds was like trying to get my cherries. So I'm gonna take this net off and then we're gonna pick some cherries, because if it's not the birds, it's what?
Ants.
Ants. So we gotta hurry up and get them. All right, be right back. All right, so I got this 3-in-1 cherry about a year ago, and I got it from Home Depot. I never did take the tag off. I've had it for about a year. Last year, I did not get anything. This year, it's pretty bountiful. So I know next year, hopefully, it'll be just as good. But this is 3-in-1. We have the Rainier. We have the Leaving Away Van. And we have, what is this one down here? The Lampin'. And so the birds was going crazy pecking these off. I have another cherry tree right here, which we've already harvested from because the birds were trying to take them all. But we were able, this is a bigger one, as you can see, very big. Got an apricot tree, that's 2 apricot trees here that are full of apricots. But anyway, the focus is this 3-in-1 cherry. So,
Yeah, I see some
it's not that tall. It's about 6 foot tall. And there's quite a bit of ants traveling on it, trying to eat some of the cherries. So we're going to go ahead and pluck these off. As you can see, the Rainiers are just about ready, but I'm going to pluck them sooner. And we got the Lampin' and the Van. And as you can see, some of them are kind of eaten up a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and pick them, right, Buttercup?
Yeah.
All right, and give it a nice little water afterwards. So we're gonna pick some cherries and I'll show you guys my harvest. All right, start picking. You know how to pick?
Yep.
We got our little basket here. Pick them all.
Some of the leaves are in the way.
Yep, just move the leaves out the way. Just snap them off. Okay, so while you're working on that side, I'm gonna work over here, okay? And we're gonna put them all in the basket, okay?
Yeah.
So as you can
Throw
see,
this out.
yeah, you can throw that out. If it's really bad, just throw it out. As you can see, ants got me there, or the birds, but that's okay, because I'm gonna take these. There's a big cluster here. And there, I don't know what is the name of this cherry tree, but there were some nice, juicy, dark red cherries on here, you guys. And I believe these apricots should be just about ready. Look, y'all. Talk about apricots galore. Last year, our harvest wasn't that many. The year before that was plentiful. And so maybe it takes a break after, you know, a year or so. It takes a break. It has a rest year, and then it has a big year, because last year it wasn't much, and this year we're getting quite a bit. There's 2 here, so that's what I think it's doing. So let me finish picking these cherries. I'll do a separate video on the rest of the trees that are here.
About done.
Yep, I think so.
Let's make sure none is hiding.
Make sure none is hiding. I did leave about 4 cherries left to ripen. 5 cherries, because these are not quite done.
5. Yeah, 5.
So hopefully, maybe the birds and the ants might take them. So there it is. We didn't pick it all.
Well,
but anyway, look.
This is a bountiful harvest.
We got quite a bit of cherries here.
Yeah, a lot.
So we'll take them in and wash them off and
snack on them.
You gonna try one?
Yeah.
Try it. Tell me how it tastes. Is it sweet?
Mhm.
Really sweet?
Yeah, really sweet.
Hey everyone, welcome to Tarry. Until he comes Homestead, we did a little apricot harvest. Well, not we, Brother Rail, my husband. These trees were full of apricots. I'm gonna put in a clip of a video where I first recorded them. So here we are here. He completely cleared this tree. We just have a little bit. Let's see if I can get over here. Let's see if I can get over here. We just have a little bit left on this tree to get. So he already has his ladder to pick it all. So we had about over here, we harvested 4 buckets. 1 bucket is already in a dry freezer. We're dry freezing some apricots now. And so we have these 3 buckets. I mean, they're just falling down now. The birds are getting their share as well. So I'm probably going to be throwing these to the chickens and to the sheep and let them have their little share. But we got 3 5-gallon buckets full of apricots. It's probably going to be about another two more 5-gallon buckets to get the rest of these apricots. So, yep, you know, apricot is good for you. The apricot seeds are actually good for you. They're supposed to be to help fight against cancer. So, I don't know how much truth is in that, but yeah. So, just wanted to share with you guys the cherry harvest and the apricot harvest. All right, you guys, be blessed. Remember, pray in your garden, because although we plant and we water, God always gives the increase. Until next time, Lord bless. Apricots, dry fruit.